In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unlink PayPal from Payhip. If you want to remove your PayPal connection from your Payhip account, the process is pretty straightforward, and I'll walk you through it slowly so it's easy to follow. Before you begin, make sure you're already signed into your Payhip account, since all of the options we need are inside the dashboard settings. Start by going to the Payhip dashboard. This is the main area where you manage your store, products, and account details. Once you're on the dashboard, look for the account option. Click on account to open the account related menu. From there, click on settings. This will take you to the section where you can control important parts of your Payhip account, including payment methods and store preferences. If you don't immediately see the exact option you need, don't worry. Just stay within the settings area because the payment connection options are located there. Next, click on payment details. This is the page where Payhip shows the payment methods connected to your store. It's also where you can review and manage how you receive payouts or process customer payments. Since we're removing PayPal, this is the section we need. Once you're on the payment details page, find the PayPal section. In that area, click Manage. This opens the controls specifically related to your PayPal connection. If your account has multiple payment options enabled, make sure you're selecting this Manage option for PayPal and not another payment method. After that, look for the disconnect button and click on it. This is the final step that unlinks PayPal from your Payhip account. In some cases, you may see a confirmation prompt before the disconnection is completed. If that appears, simply confirm that you want to proceed. Once disconnected, PayPal will no longer be linked to your Payhip store. It's a good idea to double check the payment details page afterward to make sure the change has gone through successfully. That way you can confirm that PayPal is no longer active on the account. And that's it. You've successfully removed PayPal from Payhip by going to your dashboard, opening account, selecting settings, going into payment details, choosing manage for PayPal, and then clicking disconnect. If you're updating your payment setup, just make sure your account still has the payment options you want enabled before you continue selling.